Hi everyone, welcome back to Just Doing Nails. And today I'm going to show you another way to reuse your nail practice hand tips. First, I want to start off by addressing a common issue people have with this practice hand. They complain about the tips constantly popping off. So what I wanted to go over with you guys today is how you can stop that from happening. So for an example, I have this tip here and it's on tight because it's the right size. So I'm tapping on it, it's not coming off. And here we have on the pinky finger, this one is not the right size. So as you see, as I'm tapping on it and I'm doing it a little bit hard, that it will just pop off. And that's because it's not the right size. And most people don't understand that that is the key to making sure that these tips do not fall off this practice hand while they're using it to practice. As you see, I'm just hitting away at these that I have put on there very firmly because they are the right size and they fit. And that is the reason why they come with different sizes. And you just have to make sure that you are finding the right size that you need for that particular finger. So as you guys can see, as I hold it up closer to the camera, that they are indeed different sizes. And right now I'm just gonna find the correct size for this pinky. And so I put one on there and I go ahead and I press on it, and as it pops off, I know that that's not the right size. And you just got to keep messing with them and putting them on there till you get the right size. Because as you can see with the second one that I put on, it's on there very snug. I can hit it as much as I want to and they're not coming off. So I just wanted to go over that with people just to let them know, because I know it can get really frustrating when you brought this trainer hand and you want to practice and they're just falling off and popping off everywhere. It could be that you're not putting the right sizes on these hands. So anyways, back to what we came for here, guys. I am going to show you how you can reuse the nail tips on the practice hand. So this is another method. So you guys, I use these clear tips and I always make sure that they are bigger than the brown tips that I'm putting them on, that they overlap it. That way it fits on there and I can experiment with the polishes or whatever I'm gonna put on top of this tip. So this is what I found at the dollar store. So it's foam mounting tape and it's double-sided. So I was looking into it. I was gonna get some like sticky tack or something like that, but I ran into this and I was like, that might work. So I'm gonna show you guys how I got it to work for me. So this is how it comes when it's out the package. It comes with some clear tape around it. So I suggest you guys have some scissors when you buy this. These I actually bought from the dollar store too, those scissors. So you can just pick them both up at the same time if you don't have any scissors at home. So like I said, it's double-sided. So as you see, I'm taking it off. And I'm gonna put one of the sticky sides onto the brown practice hand tip. And then I'm gonna peel off the other side. And now we can just stick our tip on there and it will be ready for us to sand down. You can put acrylic on it after that. You can color it with gel polish. So whatever your nail art needs might be, you can do it and you don't have to worry about ruining those brown tips, and you can just keep reusing them. As here, I'm gonna show you guys really fast how you can take it off, because it's just double sticky sided and it's supposed to come off. It's not supposed to be permanent. It's supposed to be something you can stick up on your wall and it's supposed to come off. Now, the only thing that I did notice, it was a little bit harder to get off the bottom of the tip. It left a little bit of the residue behind, but I think that's fine. The tips cost much less than those brown tips. And I don't know, I only do my own nails, so I have a whole lot of tips just laying around. So that's not really an issue for me. And it only really left a little bit, as you guys can see. And if I really tried, I could get that off, but it wasn't bothering me too much. And so another quick tip I wanted to add you guys before I finish this video off is if you want to stretch your dollar even further, I would advise you go ahead and take your scissors and just cut this down the middle, and then that way you get double your foam mounting tape. And also, since the pieces will be smaller, they will be easier to take off. They'll leave less of that residue behind as well. So that's just another little piece of advice that I wanted to give you guys about this foam mounting tape, just using smaller pieces and saving a little bit more money. All right, you guys, that's my video for today. I hope you found it helpful. Go ahead, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you did find it helpful, or if you have another way to reuse these nail tips. I would be very interested in that. Go ahead and leave me a like. Leaving a like on my video will help YouTube recommend them, and it will also help my channel grow. So if you have not subscribed to Just Doing Nails, please do so at this moment. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys on the next video.